Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I'll be talking about remove filters. So before jumping into the topic, let's quickly discuss what topics I discussed till now. So I discussed with you guys variables, customer sales last year, all function, colorless function, what else guys, and I also discussed switch function, right? These are all the topics which are required to set your foundation when you proceed towards Power BI advanced version, right? This all foundation will be very useful in helping you to understand the concepts of advanced Power BI. If you want to be an expert, please, it's my humble request, do go through my videos, and I'll be there to help you guys anytime, anywhere. Just ping me in or comment in the chat box. Okay, so let's quickly jumping to the topic. So today's topic would be remove filters. So what are remove filters? So remove filters you can think as all function, right? Similar to all function, I discussed with you guys what does all function do. It quickly grabs the total of a measure, right, or a column. If you see, let's see the total sales, it can easily, all function can totally grab the amount of total sales it happened across multiple categories or across multiple products. Similarly, uh, remove filters also grabs the total. Like, the only difference I would see with all function and remove filters would be all function can't be used as a table, what do you call, all function is similar to remove filters is similar to all function, except that it can't be used as a table function. Got it? So to give you a more understanding, let's quickly jump into the hands-on part. Okay, so before going into the hands-on, let me just show you what does remove filter take in as an input. If I let's say R, and if I type in remove filter, remove filters. So what does it do? It clears filters from your table or any column, specific column, or whatever table you have, it will remove all the filters. See, it's taking an input of a table name or a column name. Rest are optional. So it's similar to all function as I discussed previously. And one more thing. So imagine you are trying to remove a filter from one base table, and one more thing, this remove filters can remove filter from a specific column of a same base table. Like example, you are referencing in one base table, and then you want to again remove filter from another base table. You can't do. It can remove filter from a specific column of a same base table. Like example, you have a base table and you have the columns like A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? If you are removing in column A from that base table, it can be done. But you are trying to remove a column, let's say G, which is located in Z table. You can't do it because that is a different table. That column should be of same base table. So that's how remove filter works. Now I'll quickly jump into my hands-on. Let's see. I want to see the total profit. Before seeing my total profit, let's quickly create some visualization, right? So that you guys can have a clear understanding of what I am doing. Let's pull in product. Let's pull in profit. So this is the number I am looking for, right? Now I'll create a column known as total profit, and it will return me this value across all. It will ignore this product, and it will give me this value of 31,148. Let's quickly create a measure. Guys, please follow along. Any doubt, ping me or comment it out. Total profit equal to, I'll use my special function which I call as calculate. I am using the DAX formatter syntax. Expression I would be wanting as profit. Now, coming to my filter, I will type in remove filters. Now, what do I want to remove? I want to remove the product. I just want to grab the total profit. So for that, what do you have to do is you have, I have taken total profit. Now I need to grab, remove filters from sales, sales by store. I'll give the table name. Since the profit, or it is the sales and the profit is housed over there, I'm giving you this name, sales by store. Let's quickly close this too and press enter. So sales by store is your what do you call, main base table from where profit is calculated. If I quickly jump into my profit variable, you are seeing customer sales minus customer cost is my profit. Now what is customer sales? Customer sales is quantity sold into unit price, right? And how, from where is this quantity sold into unit price coming in? It is coming from sales by store. Now what I will do is I'll open my measures folder. I'll quickly let me first put the total profit under the same folder, measures folder. Now what I will do, I'll just pull in my total profit and see the magic, guys. Just make it to currency as dollar. See it, and I can also make it as 2 digits. See guys, I have pulled in my total value across all the products, total value in the sense total profit across all the products, right? It has ignored the product name, and it has ignored the product name as filter, and has given me the total profit. So that's how the remove filter works. It's similar to all function, except that it does not work, or you can think of like it does not, it can't be used as a table function. That's the difference. And one, coming to the summary part of it, remove filters clears filters from a specific column or tables. Second thing, if you are trying to remove filter, all of the columns should be from the same base table. And third thing, similar as all function, except it can't be used as a table function. So that's all, guys. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, guys.